So that is look, somebody's trying to go back. Oh, the car's coming ahead of us.
But it's spinning around.
Is that the snow? No, that car is strong, it's okay, but our car isn't strong yet.
I wish we had a Ford Raptor.
I know. Ford Raptor would be the best for this road.
It's got grips.
Yeah.
Anything that any naughty people make ice and one they're trying to catch naughty people, it can store grip.
Yeah. It's 0 degree. Everything is white. We can't even see a thing apart from this road that somebody who already been on this road before, and I think ongoing this situation, it's all right to drive because the snow is quite fresh, and the car tire grips grips it all right, but if it continue like this for another 1 or 2 days, this will becomes like very grips and the ice formed, then it will be really hard for us to drive. At the moment I'm finding way to return the car to back to Rostrevor, but so far I can only see one-way drive, which is quite silly. I didn't know that was quite thick snow over here, but it is what it is. So I have to drive cautiously, and yeah. So hope that we reach to Hilltown when. Oh, okay. So basically we can see a bit further right now because that was the high peak, which is the top of the mountain. That's why quite thick snow. So at the moment I can see the snow getting a bit lighter now, which I can also see like ways like about 4 or 5 kilometers ahead of me. But again, I have to drive really slowly in order to make sure that we don't have any accidents or the car don't slides.
Or spin around and because they like spinning around as well.
Exactly.
Their cars will be spinning everywhere around.
Yeah, we don't want the car to spin around like Kiri mentioned, because it's not nice, especially when you don't have.
Cars come, they just be spinning round.
Yeah.
And then when all cars come, spin round. When all cars come, spin round.
Yeah.
When all cars come, spin round.
So, yeah. This is amazing, isn't it, Giri?
Yeah.
The thing is, people, they stay at home, and then us like driving down the road in the middle of the snow. Oh, what is that coming ahead of us? Oh,
That's not any tractor. It's just a up tractor.
yeah.
Everything, and he wants to lift up you.
I think this tractor will come and maybe, hopefully, they can help us clear the snow. Another car coming ahead.
But he doesn't have.
Do you want the window to open? Huh? Okay, take off your handgun, Daddy, close.
I didn't want mine close.
Are you going up, yeah? Are you trying to go up here or go? Okay, because it's very thick snow, it's quite slippery over there as well.
Spot up there.
Yeah, I make a mistake.
Thank you.
No worries. What are you?
He's gonna open my window. Keep it open.
Maybe close gun with the snow is getting to the car.
Yeah.
And it's petrol at the moment.
Not what?
Whoop, it's going downhill.
Car
Oh.
can only. Car eats petrol. Only one car is. Only one car is. Only one car. One car is full. It shouldn't break hard.
Yeah, I don't know how to get home, darling. Hope you don't stuck here.
Forever.
Yeah, but if you just make sure that the car is full up with petrol, and once the car's got petrol, so that's insurance for sometimes. So we are approaching to Hilltown right now. So we just pretty much like entering to the city, another city, the town, and I have to be very careful as well because it's the snow here is quite thick, but it's wet. It's okay. Back there was quite scary. There's a lot of people trying to.
It's like those monsters that.
4x4 is okay. If we drive behind somebody else, I think that's the safest because not really. Because if they slip back, we in the back also.
We will go straight back.
Yeah,
When no goes at the back, they will go straight.
exactly.
That's where.
That's quite fast too.
Back to city.
So this is Hilltown, and
I got some food that people have to craft.
are you going to eat the grey snow on the road?
No,
No?
no.
Why not?
I don't want to. Not starting.
Is it? Gosh, I thought you can eat the. Look at the houses, very white.
Not really, but some more snow has came on. They just painted snow up.
The roof are white. Looks like the car is having the white hair, don't they? All over the cars. So Hilltown has got more.
And Stick has got boots, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Because she's the Galway. That one.
Look at that car. Covered with snow. So this is Hilltown in the middle of the snow. And
Stick might make a
we need to go and find petrol. Was it police? Stopping over there. Just want to make sure that. No, just trying to help make sure that there's no accidents. What is that car ahead of us doing? Is he stopping or what?
What if there is
Accident? Oh, I wouldn't want to see that because it's not good to have accidents in the snow.
he would keep the cars there
Yeah.
forever.
The car will be sliding and then slipping and spinning, and then they crash into each other's. That would be horrendous.
And then we have to talk to where the bus can't crash.
Yeah. Well, Kiri, do you like it? You don't like the snow?
I do.
Good. Are you happy that we drive?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
I want the snow to come here forever and stay forever.
Are you? Well, but you're gonna get cold though.
No, it's because I like the snow.
Okay, so a bit kind of thin and also lights here, which is you can drive up to 30 miles per hour. But yeah, you couldn't do it back then. On the way back, we need to go via Newry, not back to Rostrevor from Hilltown because dangerous. We need petrol station. Yes, yes. We got some petrol now. We got some petrol. So I'm not worried about getting stuck in the snow because
One car has got a snow in its bucket. That one.
yeah.
One car is carrying snow at the back.
Let's see, unlimited is 45. What? Gosh. That is a naughty guy. Right, I need to
Stop, my daddy's in there.
Yeah. So we've got petrol. Yeah. So now.
Those naughty guys, they took petrol. They took lots of it. Hey, now they're doing it again.
Some people, Gary, they want their car stuck somewhere, so they need to buy petrol here to fill up the car. So that's why. Look at that car. he need to clean his his window because the snow is so thick. You see that? I know.